I moved into my first flat, my first time living by myself as well. So everything was new. I couldn't find a stable job, so I decided to apply for universal credit. And the process took quite a while to get done. But once it was all through, my debt was still building up because I couldn't keep up with it. So I decided to call universal credit. One of the advisors, just on the off chance, mentioned the advanced payment option. I was offered over £300, but I decided to only take £200 because that would be the minimum amount to cover all of my essentials. And I now pay it back in affordable instalments. My advice would be, if you need to apply for advanced payments, that you only take an amount that you know you'll be able to pay back in comfortable instalments as well. And keep in mind that the higher you ask for, the higher your instalment payment will be.